What is your name?
Albert.
Okay, Albert, what are you drawing right now?
I am drawing a tree and a doodle.
Okay, what are the colors?
Brown, green, blue, red.
Okay, thank you so much, Albert. Okay, hi, what is your name?
Bizarre.
Okay, Abizar, can you tell me what are you drawing right now?
I am drawing flower.
Okay, what are the colors of your flowers?
Purple, yellow,
Yellow and green.
green.
Okay, good job. Thank you so much, Abizar. I see Lau. What are you drawing right now?
Star.
Star. What about the color?
Yellow.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, just continue drawing again. Okay, guys, let's go to the next girl. What is your name?
Almira.
Okay, Almira, can you tell me what are you drawing right now?
Rabbit, tree, cloud.
Okay, and can you tell me what are the colors that you have in your drawing?
Brown, black, green, blue.
Okay, thank you so much, Almira. Have fun and enjoy. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the next. What is your name?
Kirana.
And what is your name? Okay, Kirana and Sydney, what are you drawing right now? Can you tell me?
Sun, clouds, star,
Finish? Okay, what about the colors?
black,
Okay.
orange,
Finish. Okay, thank you so much, Sydney and Kirana. Okay, we're gonna go to the next girl. What is your name?
Abel,
Okay, Abel, can you tell me what are you drawing right now?
bear,
Okay, Bear, what about the color?
brown.
Brown. Okay, I saw that you before draw a lot of things. Is it fail?
Yes.
But it's fine. You can try again. Okay. Okay. Good job.
Why does this happen? It happens because of tug of war between the ink and the water. Here is the simple breakdown. Whiteboard markers use a special oil polymer. This oil makes the ink slippery so it doesn't stick permanently to the spoon. When you dip the spoon, the water molecules wants to get under the ink. Since the ink is oily and doesn't like water, it easily let go of the spoon to stay on the top of the water. So, the conclusion is the ink is oily so it doesn't stick and light so it floats.